Today we talk about how can you enable reverse notifications on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications and messages. Then you click here on push notifications. So then when you come to this list, you just go down here. Then you come here to referrals here, click in this sign. When you click in this sign here, then like you see this color show for us, that's been referrals notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.